Embark on a journey of self-discovery with Hair Luminance and unlock the hidden depths of your heart. Within its pages, find the courage to confront your fears and embrace the beauty that lies within. Allow the emotions stirred by Hair Luminance to wash over you like waves crashing against the shore, filling you with a sense of purpose and renewal. With each heartfelt revelation, feel your spirit soar as you draw closer to hair that reflects the essence of your truest self. With Hair Luminance as your constant companion, let your emotions guide you on this transformative journey, and let each page become a testament to the strength and resilience of your soul. Explore the mysteries of Hair Luminance and unlock the secrets of timeless beauty. Within its pages lie ancient remedies whispered through the ages, promising to restore your hair to its fullest glory. Experience the magic of Hair Luminance firsthand and unlock the potential within your hair, igniting a spark of confidence that radiates from within.